The Adventure of the Lost Treasure, incorporating hard-to-pronounce words while maintaining a coherent storyline. This version will challenge advanced English learners with sophisticated vocabulary and sentence structures. The Adventure of the Lost Treasure. In a quaint village nestled between the mountains, a group of intrepid friends embarked on an exhilarating escapade. One fateful afternoon, they unearthed an antiquated map, its parchment yellowed with age and adorned with cryptic symbols. The map purportedly led to a clandestine treasure, hidden in a treacherous terrain fraught with enigmatic challenges. The leader of the group, a spirited young lad named Oliver, meticulously examined the map. According to this cartographic masterpiece, he declared, the treasure lies within the forgotten cavern, beyond the perilous river. His friends, Sophia, Liam, and Ava, exchanged excited glances, their imaginations ignited by the prospect of adventure. Before embarking on their quest, they convened to strategize. They understood that the journey would be rife with adversities, requiring not only intellectual acuity, but also unwavering camaraderie. Armed with provisions and an insatiable curiosity, they set forth into the wilderness. Upon reaching the river, they encountered their first obstacle, a rickety bridge that swayed precariously above the turbulent waters. "We must traverse it with utmost caution," Liam advised, his voice tinged with apprehension. One by one, they crossed the bridge, their hearts pounding with trepidation. On the other side, they were confronted by an impenetrable thicket of brambles. "We need to decipher the riddle inscribed on this stone," Ava exclaimed, pointing to an ominous inscription. The riddle read, "What has roots as nobody sees, is taller than trees. Up, up it goes, and yet never grows." The friends pondered the conundrum, their minds racing. After a moment of silence, Oliver's eyes lit up. "It must be a mountain," he exclaimed. With renewed determination, they navigated the brambles and ascended the nearby hill, their spirits bolstered by their collaborative effort. As they reached the summit, the view was breathtaking. In the distance, the glimmer of sunlight reflected off something metallic. "That must be the treasure," Sophia shouted, pointing excitedly. But their jubilation was short-lived as they noticed a cavernous opening guarded by an imposing boulder. They realized they needed to summon their collective strength to dislodge the massive stone. "On the count of 3, Oliver instructed. 1, 2, 3. With a concerted effort, they heaved against the boulder, which finally rolled aside with a resonant thud. Inside the cavern, the air was cool and still. Stalactites dripped from the ceiling, creating an eerie atmosphere. The friends illuminated the darkness with their flashlights, revealing an array of glittering jewels and ancient artifacts strewn across the cavern floor. Their eyes widened in awe at the magnificent sight. But as they began to explore, they discovered a scroll hidden beneath a pile of treasure. Unfurling it, they read, "True treasure lies not in gold and jewels, but in the bonds forged through adversity." The friends shared knowing glances, understanding the profound wisdom contained within those words. In that moment, they realized that their adventure was not solely about material riches. It was about the invaluable lessons they had learned along the way. They had faced challenges, solved riddles, and supported each other through every trial. Their teamwork and perseverance had been the true rewards of their expedition. With hearts full of gratitude, they gathered a few small tokens from the treasure to commemorate their journey. As they exited the cavern, the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the landscape. They walked back to their village, not just as friends, but as a united team bound by their unforgettable adventure. Vocabulary list: intrepid, fearless, adventurous. Antiquated, old-fashioned or outdated. Cartographic, related to maps. Clandestine, secret or hidden. Treacherous, dangerous, risky. Enigmatic, mysterious. Impenetrable, impossible to pass through or enter. Conundrum, a confusing or difficult problem. Stalactites, icicle-shaped formations hanging from the ceiling of caves. Profound, having deep meaning or significance.